Right, hello everyone, welcome back to the Budgie Aviary. I just thought I would give you a close-up on all the budgies that I have because it's the end of breeding season, so I've taken all of the budgies out of the breeding cages and put them into the main aviary, apart from two which are still actually have eggs, so I'm waiting to see if they're going to hatch. But yeah, I just thought I'd give you a close look at all the budgies that I have. So I'll just go through them one by one and just show you all of them so you can look at the different colours. So yeah, this one is basically, I'll just basically show you all the budgies, and yeah, I'll just stay quiet so you can just look at all of them and then tell me what you think in the comments. They're all crested and crest bred, so yeah.